success of our event, the praise of our beautiful the Mayor of Pili. And their dedication and generosity to be showcased for leadership and public service. Indeed, an inspiration of women empowerment. Palakpakan po natin muli. And the First Lady Mayor, Honorable Mayor Mary Vic Solano. At Mayora, congratulations po sa napaka-grande. At para sa akin, this is the grandest Miss Capital Town dito sa Pili. I've also hosted your 2019 Miss Capital Town pre-pandemic at nabigla ako sa sobrang laki ng ating event tonight. Congratulations po sa iyo, sa ating chairwoman at sa lahat ng ating mga sangguniang member, bayan members, and to LGU Pili. And now, ladies and gentlemen, habang binibigyan pa natin ng few moments ang ating 23 candidates para maghanda for our final parade. Eto na po. Atin munang ipaalam sa lahat kung paano ba ginajudge ng ating panel ang ating candidates. I shall read to you the criteria for judging. Miss Capital Town 2025 is comprised of 6 segments. This carefully well thought of criteria for judging will be the basis of our jurors in choosing our top 10 semi-finalists and our 5 winners for tonight. Ladies